With the new year around the corner, it's time for a New Year's resolution. And a resolution might be to, update your home. Well, if it is, today's video is going to help you do just that. 3 remodeling trends for the new year to increase your home's value. Hi, my name is Vinny and I'm with Floors Uncovered. And in this video we have not 1, not 2, but 3 great tips for remodeling your home following the holidays. But before we unwrap these tips, remember to like and subscribe for even more great content like this every single week. One way to redesign your kitchen is to look at your countertops. In fact, concrete is in, but concrete itself, while an option, isn't an ideal option. When you think of concrete, that gray look is really nice, but the actual material itself, not as much. It can create some long-term issues for your cabinets just because of the nature of how that product is made. But if you like the look, quartz is a man-made product that takes filaments to color granite and make it look like something else. So you can get that concrete look, but have a material that's more designed for kitchen application. So if you want that new and exciting concrete look that seems to be sweeping the design industry, do it with quartz. Another way to make your kitchen space more exciting is to focus on your backsplash. Your backsplash is really important because it ties everything together between the countertops, the cabinets, and the paint on your walls. A lot of people do a very small backsplash, but what we're recommending, based on what we're seeing in design magazines and online, is to extend the amount of space dedicated to wall tile. If you can invest into this, it can create a really nice accent to the room that ties it all together. So instead of just having your accent underneath your upper and lower cabinets, maybe extend it onto an open wall, or maybe remove a few upper cabinets and open up that space to have that accent be an even more predominant part of your room. Speaking of trends, nothing is more popular in the flooring industry right now than luxury vinyl plank. It's the fastest growing product category in floors today. The reason that vinyl plank is so popular right now is that it tends to be less expensive for the material and installation, and that's getting a high-end version of vinyl plank. You see, vinyl plank is extremely scratch resistant. It can be extremely dent resistant if you go with an SPC. It's waterproof, and they're embossing the finishes on most vinyl planks today, so it gets that natural texture that you want, so it looks and feels just like a hardwood floor, but is a lot easier to clean and maintain. These are not 1, not 2, but 3 great ways to renovate your kitchen following the holidays. What's your New Year's resolution for your home? Comment below and let us know. We're excited to hear what you want to change for 2020.